Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review this small grinder. Well, this product, when I purchased it, firstly I thought is a grinder which could be used for herbs and so on. When I received it, it was written electric plant cigarette grinder. I'm not really sure what it is. However, based on the video which I have watched, it could grind small things. Let's open up the package and see what we have got inside. So it comes in this really nice box, pretty solid and sleek design. So first time I see a hard plastic actually for product package of this sort. Let's just remove this. So what else we have got in here? There we go. This is the package. Pretty sleek design, I would say. Let's open it up and see what we have got. So it comes in this nice box. So this is the top. I think from this way it can be opened. And that's our product. So this is the user manual of this product. Let's first read this one. Let's open it properly. So it's like more like a booklet. Alright, product overview. Odor-proof cap, funnel, grinded broom, grinding doors, clockwise grinding key, counterclockwise grinding key, Type-C USB-C for charging. So on the alright, so it's a very big one. How to use this? We have got, basically we need to, so it's written in different languages. Alright, so this is the English one. So open the cap of the grinder, push the button up to unlock the icon. Turn clockwise to separate the body and the grinding room. Place the herb evenly into the grinding room, not to overfill. Twist it counterclockwise to close the grinder until hearing a click sound. Then push the button to lock icon. Press R or L to start the grinding. When stuck to the select reverse, so it can basically reverse grind as well. Use the funnel to cap, collect the material and fill in your tube. Ready to rock and roll. Well, this to me looks like more of like, this seems more like a tobacco sort of grinding machine. Well, let's check this out. So this is the tube, basically I believe to fill in whatever material it is. This is the machine itself. This is the tube to fill in. USB-C cable, a kind of small brush probably to clean this. And that's a cap, I think, for the second tube like this. And this is the machine itself. So let's check it out. Well, pretty sleek design. Right, so it can turn to the right or left side. So we can basically turn it around. There we go. So this is basically unlocked at the moment. You can just drag it. This is the head, or we can just drag the whole part completely out like this, and that's what turns basically. You see it turns left, that is the other side. In the beginning it turned once or twice, vice versa, but then it turned around. So this is the open, this is the close. Well, what I don't get is actually the direction of the open or close. But fine. I still don't understand the use case of this device that much. So based on what is written here, so basically that's where the herbs go in. That's where it can be closed, and this can be used to grind and once it's grinded, basically the product will land in, will land in here. On this side. So the cap is really hard to remove actually. I'm not sure why. There we go. So basically once it's grinded, it will come to this compartment in here, and afterwards this compartment you can put it in here into this, yeah, like this, and then it can be used to basically use. Again, I'm not really sure what it is. What was written on the product page was more for herbs. I was actually thinking to use this for the pepper or some other, let's say, cooking herbs and so on, but what I see in here is more of like tobacco sort of stuff, which makes more sense to me. I think that's mostly thought for those type of use cases. Well, that's it. Hope you liked it. Let me know if you have any comments down below, or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like the video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos coming up on daily basis. Make sure you stay tuned. See you in the next video. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.